Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on quickly today to share with you a little snail mail project I've been working on. This person is not going to see this video until they actually receive it, so it may take some time because it's going to Australia. So anyway, I made this snail mail flip book, and it definitely was inspired by Sabrina Ann here on YouTube, and I have made these before and thought this would be perfect for snail mail because it's flat and it's not too bulky, and plus when you're shipping internationally you have to be kind of conscious because it is expensive to ship international mail. So anyway, I decided to create this envelope flip book and wanted to share with you what it looks like. So let's get started. So this is kind of, I guess this is the back of my flip book, and I just decorated it with the hello dies. I double layered the hello. I added this really cute tassel. I used this really pretty mesh that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I think I shared this with you in my Hobby Lobby haul when I picked up all that tulle. I think I shared this mesh, but I did get it at Hobby Lobby in case you're wondering, and I wanted to play with it, and as you can see it's really pretty. I used my heart stitched dies to cut out those two hearts, and this cute little llama is from Hobby Lobby as well. I used the little bead that I got from Michael's. It comes in that bead kit, and I just put it on top of her hair, and I just think it came out so cute. And then I just used a tag die from my stash, and I added some washi tape to the bottom of the tag. So that is what it looks like on the back, and then when you flip it over, it looks like this, and I think it's so cute. And I used the llama paper. This is from the Die Cuts with a View. I think it's the Cool Kids paper pack that I had just recently picked up from Joann's. And so you open it up, and I did use a Velcro dot from Dollar Tree. And on the inside of the flap it says handmade by Scrapdiva29, and I just die cut it out with my wonky stitch die. And then you open it up, and this is the first envelope. And I just used several dies. I used this llama die, and this is from Michael's. I had recently picked this up, but I don't think I've shared him. And then I used this really pretty die, and then the die set that comes with the llama has No Drama Llama. That's one of the dies in that set, and so is the cactus. So I played with that die set and just decorated the first envelope like that. And then I have goodies in each little pocket, which I'm not going to take out, so it can be a surprise. And then you flip it over, and this is the next page, and I am going to write a little note right here. Just use some washi tape, and that's just simple. And I've got some goodies in this little pocket right there. And then the next little envelope is this right here, again using some heart dies, and again using the llama. I did use some of the Die Cuts with a View paper to die cut out some of my little dies, or some of the llamas and the little hearts that are up here. This also comes with that llama die set that you can pick up at Michael's. And then I just used some of the little cut aparts from the paper collection from Die Cuts with a View. Kind of mixed the two paper collections, even though they don't perfectly match. I just went ahead and did it anyway. I really love this little heart banner die that comes with that little llama set. I'm sorry I did not pull the die to share with you, but it's super cute, and you can find it at Michael's, and just use a coupon when you get the die. But that is my quick little envelope flip book. I think it came out super cute, and I really hope the recipient likes what I've created, enjoys the little goodies that I am sending her. Thanks for watching my video today. Of course, leave a comment. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.